Highlighted configuration values introduce governance and reliability mechanism. Index versioning tracks which document index the system is using. Prompt versioning helps trace which prompt template generated a response, and the minimal retrieval scores act as a guardrail. If retrieved documents are not sufficiently relevant, the system avoids generating a response. So guardrails helps prevent hallucination and improve system reliability. So if you can see, as I already showed you, so these are related to the different versioning, like which prompt version we are using currently, prompt type, the index versioning, and the minimal retrieval score. And these configurations relate temperature, top P, and the max tokens are related to the LLM. And if we have enabled the guardrails, then the logic we have used in our core.py will work. Otherwise, that will not work. Let me show you one small thing related to the minimum retrieval score. So if you go to the core.py, in this particular code, there is one class. Let me show you that class. Just a second. Yeah, vector.db class. So we are initializing it, like we are showing that like how we can load any vector database. We are logging the things, like it's a RAG-off thing. So obviously we need to log all the details. There's search logic also. In this particular search logic, whenever we are doing a similarity search on the user query, we will get relevant documents. If you can see in the config file, I saw top K. It means how many similar kind of retrieval we want, how many similar kind of documents we want in the retrieval. So for each, we will get some metrics. Can you see over here? Metrics are getting scored and the best score we are having over here. Now, if you can see, we are identifying the best score, and here is that condition. If you can see in the config.py again, 0.2, it means if the best score is less than this, let's say 0.15. So in that case, we are going to save this particular, these details. Whether it passed? No. Why? Because low similarity score. We are having the explanation also. So in that way, we are kind of storing all the important matrix details.